In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a page in WordPress, the home page. This is a crucial skill for anyone managing a WordPress site, whether you're starting a blog, building a portfolio, or creating a business site. The ability to set a specific page as your home page allows you to control what visitors see when they first arrive at your site, setting the tone for their entire experience. Let's dive in and guide you through this easy process, step by step. First, you'll want to navigate to your WordPress dashboard by logging in. Once you're there, look towards the left-hand side of the screen where you'll see a list of options. Find and click on Settings. This is where you'll be making important configurations that affect your site's appearance and functionality. So it's worth familiarizing yourself with this area if you haven't already. Next, under the Settings menu, you'll see a tab labeled Reading. Click on this, as it takes you to the section where you can manage your site's homepage settings. In the Reading Settings section, you will see the option labeled Your Homepage Displays. By default, it's typically set to your latest posts. This means your homepage looks like a blog that displays your most recent content first. However, if you prefer to have a static page as your homepage, this is where you can make that change. Select the option labeled A Static Page. You'll notice it gives you two drop-down menus, one for the homepage and another for Posts page. You'll want to focus on the homepage drop-down. Click on it, and you'll see a list of available pages that you have previously created. Choose the page you want as your new homepage from this list. This action sets your chosen page as the first thing visitors will see, rather than a list of your latest posts. It's especially useful if you designed a specific landing page or want to showcase special content to visitors right off the bat. Once you've selected your desired homepage, the final and crucial step is to scroll down and click the Save Changes button. This ensures that all the changes you've made are securely updated and live on your site. That's it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully set a static page as your WordPress site's homepage. Remember, you can always return to this setting if you wish to change your homepage again in the future. Adjust as needed to fit the evolving needs of your website. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this tutorial has helped simplify the process. Happy website building, and see you in the next video.